Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to export WP form entries in WordPress website. Here you can see this is a website based on WordPress platform. Now let me go back to the WordPress dashboard. Here we can find out WP Forms plugin. You can go in plugin sections and then you can easily install this plugin from the WordPress library. Now let me scroll down. So this one is the WP Forms plugin. Click here settings. And here you can see all of the settings. So you can activate WP form from here. Now let me scroll down. And here you can select all of the forms to see all the forms, and you can check the form entries from here. After that, if you want to export any of the form entry, then you can click here tools, then scroll down, and here you can select this one, export option. Then you need to select a form. For example, let me select this one, and here you can select the fields, then scroll down. So these are some additional fields. If you want to select, then you can do that. After that, click here download export file. In this way you can easily export entire forms, as well as you can also import that form from here. So thank you for watching video.